you can literally build a trading career around just one pattern, like only one thing that you are looking for in the market. What's going on, team? What's going on? I hope you all had a great day. My day was alright. I made 48, which is good. But I still got dough and ducks running, so yeah, let's see what we got on Friday. This is important. Yeah, right now, I've traded a gold, which was good. Then I had some things going on USD CAD, which was good as well. And then I had a big waste of money on GBP JPY. I was not trading the London session, and I was not trading the Tokyo session. I don't know why I've traded this one today, and yeah, it was my mistake. It just looked too good, you know. I was like, okay, but then it turned against me and fought me. Yeah, and I've closed some on Dow and DAX today, which, yeah, DAX gave me good profit. I got stopped out on that one. As you can see, I got stopped out. It was a trailing stop that I took. Yeah, let's see what we got the upcoming days. Tomorrow, Friday, let's see if we can get the drop in the Dow and DAX. USD CAD, the whole week I was searching for good sell opportunities, and it went good. I've closed it because the market has slowed down a little bit, and yeah, GBP JPY was just a big up and down. It was just a massacre. Like, I don't know. Maybe it will continue to go up, but I think I will not trade it tomorrow. Let's see. Yeah, and gold is moving very slowly up to the upside today. That's why I wanted to close it before I go to sleep. I was trying to hold it to 1640, but it was just going up and down in a very slowly uptrend channel. That's why I exited. Maybe I can get another good entry tomorrow in the New York session. Let's see. Yeah, and the rest, Dow and DAX. I mean, we are in a crisis right now. It's just a matter of time until it will drop again, I think. This is what I think. We don't know, but yeah, let's see if it will keep continuing to the upside. Maybe I have to hedge some positions, but let's see. If you don't know, if you really have no idea what I'm talking about, then you probably have not studied the course. Yeah, let's get it. It's time for you to get it. The time is now, guys. If you want to learn a skill you can benefit from for the rest of your life, if you want to master a skill that can make you a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money as well. Yeah, you can win or lose a lot of money. It's just like that. It depends on how good are you in business. I mean, trading is like a business, you know, it's a serious business. If you're not good in business, if you don't know how to manage your money, if you don't know how to budget, then you're probably not gonna make any money. It's easy as that. Money management is it's the most important part. It's it's the most important part, guys. Money management and trade management, you know, how to scale in on good trades, how to move your stop and all this stuff. This is all trade management. Yeah, if you and yeah, don't take signals from any signal providers if you have no idea how to ride these waves, and if you don't know how much value your position has and all that stuff. You need to learn it before you step into the game, you know. You need to learn that. Yeah, join the Genius Trading Masterclass course and learn all that. What's $400? I mean, we're talking about $400, and this skill can make you millions for the rest of your life. I mean, what's $400? Today I had a call with Matthew. He told me he is an engineer, and he has studied 4 years at a college from his 16th birthday, from his 16th year to until he's 20. Now he's an engineer, and he lives in the UK, and he earns like he said £35,000 per year. 4 years of study. If you study my course 4 weeks and you go over it like 10 times, and you make a lot of notes, and you create your own system, you create your own pattern that you are looking for, man, you can literally, I've told Matthew the same thing today. You can literally build a trading career around just one pattern, like only one thing that you are looking for in the market. You can build a complete career on just one move that you are looking for, you know, just one. That's enough to make a whole career, like to make a fortune. Because if you know how to be a businessman, how to manage your money, and you have to be consistent with what you are doing, you know, then yeah, there are no limits. It's just like that. Literally no limits. I mean, of course you have limits. We as human beings, we have limits, and of course you're gonna have in some way you have a limit in trading as well. But I mean, £35,000 for 4 years of studying at the college, being an engineer. I mean, it's like nearly being a doctor or a lawyer or something like that. I mean, you have to study crazy stuff, and then you were like 35 grand, bro. I was like, damn, that hurts. I mean, I'm trading since I'm 16 years old. I've started on demo accounts when I was young. Very early, I had this passion for numbers, you know. And I didn't want to work in a job working for somebody else. For me, it was like, I don't know. I don't like to have someone above me telling me what to do. I don't like that, you know. Yeah, this is why I fell in love with trading for real. Like, all I need to know is how to manage money and how these markets move and how to ride these waves. Yeah, markets got going up and down. That's it. Yeah. What else can I tell you? I'm like, my notepad. Give me a second. Yeah, never ever forget that it's a long-term game. Okay, don't play this game for the day. Play for your life. You know, you need to see the bigger vision, like where you want to be in life. And if you know how compound interest works, it's the eighth world wonder, the eighth world wonder. Compound interest, guys. You just have to be long enough, consistent, and then use a Forex compound interest calculator and see what you can do with your money. If you make like 5% per month, or 10% per month, or maybe 20% per month, you know, how much can you do in 5 years or in 10 years? It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah. So you should better master this skill, guys. Become a master of this game. Become a master. And yeah, learn how to ride these waves. Peace out, guys. Much love.